Hello everyone. Today I am here. My views over one very important condition, part of life, which comes in everyone's life, and that is there are different types of problems in day-to-day life we are dealing with, and one of that is varies adversity quotient. Adversity, the meaning of word that adversity means हम बोलते हैं कि जो विपरीत परिस्थितियां होती हैं, मतलब difficult time. Quotient means how to divide these critical conditions, these the problems, and how we have to move on in our life. So, first of all, what is a diversity quotient? So, predictors of success, if you are able to handle the adversities in your life properly, then we can say that it will predict your success. Or we can say it's a gauge or measure of how you respond and deal with everything from every day. जो दिन भर की हैसल्स होती हैं उनको हम कैसे डील करते हैं, ये भी हमारा एक डाइवर्सिटी क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम्स तो हर इंसान की लाइफ में आते हैं, बट द मेन थिंग इज दैट हाउ वी हैव टू टैकल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स. We should not give up, we should never give up, we should just move on, we should have the positive attitude, positive thinking. We can solve each and every problem of our life. And very importantly, a psychologist says that success depends upon a 20% on IQ, intelligent quotient जो हम बोलते हैं, and C 80% on emotional quotient and adversity quotient. So now you can see from here, and you can just imagine from here that how much important these two factors, adversity quotient and emotional quotient. So today we will discuss about the adversity quotient. The main four dimensions which are required to handle these adversities in our life, that is control. The first one is control. So what is the meaning of control here? That means if suppose any problem arises in your life, then the extent to which you can control your own response to a situation or event, किस level तक आप अपने response को control कर सकते हो situation के ऊपर. Then the ownership. Ownership means we have to take the personal responsibility, right? We should not find the cause कि ये क्यों हुआ, ये किस लिए हुआ. Apart from this, we have to say that I am taking the responsibility, I will handle this situation, I will come out of this situation with a positive attitude. That is the meaning of ownership. Third is reach. That how extensively you allow a particular kind of adversity to affect other areas of your work and life. For example, if you are very disturbed in your official life, professional life, and then you are carrying these problems at home, and you are disturbing your personal life also, so then you have to reach out these. That's how I can handle, so that I will not mix these two things among each other. Fourth is endurance. Then your perception of how long an adverse situation will last. इतना आपको आइडिया हो जाना चाहिए, या आपकी परसेप्शन इतनी होनी चाहिए कि ये जो प्रॉब्लम है मेरी लाइफ में किस टाइम तक रह सकती, राइट. एंड you should always have this thought in mind that I choose to make the rest of my life the best of my life. So according to Dr. Paul Stolz, he gave that adversity quotient theory. So there are three types of people. One is climbers. Climbers, they are the people that are destined for the top. They let nothing stop them. जो बने ही हैं सक्सेस के लिए, कुछ भी उनको रोक नहीं सकता. Second is campers, have had some success, थोड़ी बहुत सक्सेस मिलती है उनको, perhaps even significant success, but have run up against a wall. But वो कभी हिम्मत नहीं हारते, वो अपने टारगेट की ओर, अपने गोल की ओर मूव ऑन करते हैं. Third is quitters. Quitters, their own excuse. मतलब वो कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर लिया, नहीं चला तो ये बिजनेस मेरे लिए ही नहीं बना था. Because when the things will not go according to their wish, when they will feel uncomfortable, then they will give the excuse, one or two any other excuses, and then they will quit, right? So basically there are three types of pupils. So today I'm going to share with you all 10 tips that how you can improve your adversity quotient, which is badly required for everyone. for a child, for adult, for old people, everyone. Whether you are going for office, whether you are going whether you are staying at home, right? Because if you are going at office, there may be different problem. Going to school for a child, there may be different problem. Staying at home, housewife, there may be different problem, family problem, neighbors problem. There are so many problems. So how you can tackle this? By using these 10 tips, which I am going to share with you. First is be a detective. The moment the difficult situation arises, immediately you have to find out or pinpoint at least one facet of that situation where you can influence. अगर हम उसको control नहीं कर सकते, then you have to find out at least one point where you can more influence. Second is be a lawyer. Silently or vocally, you can ask the people that there is nothing we can do about it. Right? If the people say you can't do anything about this, then you have to just find out the ways to prove them wrong. But to prove them wrong, you must have the real evidence. Be a judge. So that if you feel you lack control over a given situation, try to be impartial in your assessment. Base your judgment only on the facts. As a judge does his performance duty, so you have to simply, same way, you have to do that. Be a pioneer. Fourth one is be a pioneer means be the first to take the ownership of difficult situation. Whether you are the cause or not. Okay, pick your moment and step into the wilderness of responsibility by declaring your accountability and intended action. Right? Never step back. Just move ahead with positive attitude. Be an opportunist. Ask yourself what will definitely happen as a result. कि इस सिचुएशन के साथ अगले 24 से 48 मिनटों में क्या होगा. उन आउटकम्स को इकट्ठा कीजिए which you feel most compelled to take ownership and action. और जिसमें लगता है कि इनके ऊपर एक्शन हो जाना चाहिए, and you try to do that action. Sixth one is be a firefighter. जब कभी भी adversity strike करती है लाइफ के अंदर, immediately contain the blaze by acting with urgency to prevent it from affecting other areas of your life. You should have to control it, right? You have to stop it, that it will not affect the other areas of your life. Be a surgeon. Yes, very important. As difficulties arise, तो उसी तरीके से उस प्रॉब्लम को, जैसे कि मैंने मेंशन किया है, prevent them from bleeding into other areas of your business, relationships and life. कि वो दूसरे किसी भी एरिया के अंदर लाइफ के इफेक्ट ना करे, लाइक बिजनेस हो गया, फिर रिलेशनशिप हो गया, लाइफ. By surgically clamping the damaged artery and operating on or even removing damaged tissue. उसी टिश्यू को, उस कोज को थोड़ा कट कीजिए जो आपको लगता है कि जिसकी ब्लीडिंग मेरे मतलब लाइफ के अदर एरियाज को इफेक्ट करेगी, उस चीज को खत्म कीजिए, बट इन पॉजिटिव वे. बी अ विजनरी. नो मैटर हाउ सिवियर अ सेटबैक मे बी, कितना भी बड़ा झटका हो, बस बैठ के एक बार ये सोचिए कि जब ये टाइम निकल जाएगा तो वो टाइम कैसा होगा. राइट? फोर्स योरसेल्फ टू राइज अबव एंड सी बियॉन्ड द एडवर्सिटी. अपने आप को फोर्स करना है आपको. You have to move ahead. Paint a mental picture of your future life. कि adversity over होने के बाद मेरी जो future life है वो कैसी होगी. जब ये conditions, जब ये problem खत्म हो जाएगी, तो how I will feel. Be an accountant. जैसे accountants, they make a balance sheet. You can also use that. You have to be accountant for all. Like indicating on one side the likely result. कि adversity के क्या-क्या result हैं, जिनके ऊपर आपका control नहीं है. नो ओनरशिप एंड जो बहुत दूर है, इसके पहुंचना भी बहुत दूर है. और दूसरी तरफ implications of adversity over which you feel a certain amount of control, जिनके ऊपर आपका थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रोल हो सकता है, strong ownership में, which you see as limited and short lived. Right? Then you have to apply your analysis to the situation at hand or as difficulties arise. Be a catalyst. Take even the smallest constructive action to regain control, to take ownership, or to limit the reach or endurance of adversity, and you will immediately begin to see it shrink. Right? Smallest constructive action जरूरी है ताकि उस चीज को, उस प्रॉब्लम को कंट्रोल किया जा सके, उसकी लिमिटेशंस को बढ़ाया जा सके, उसको लिमिटेड कर सके, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको लगेगा कि वो श्रिंक होने लगे. As I mentioned, focus on the good. then the good things will come to you. If you will focus on the negative things, then the negative things will come. So इस कोट के साथ मैं अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश इट, दैट कभी परिस्थितियों के हाथों की कठपुतली ना बने, क्योंकि आप हालात बदलने का दम रखते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी पॉजिटिव स्टोरीज यू कैन सी अबाउट अमिताभ बच्चन. एक टाइम ऐसा आ गया था कि जब उनके पास कुछ भी नहीं था एंड वो वापस जा रहे थे, ये हमने बहुत सुना होगा आपने भी. ट्रेन में उनको एक मूवी का ऑप्शन मिला और उसके बाद उनके लाइफ बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई. अब वो अगर एडवर्सिटी से परेशान होकर कुछ डिसीजन नेगेटिव वे में चले जाते तो शायद आज हमें एक इतना बढ़िया स्टार जिसको हम बोलते हैं, राइट, तो यूनिक स्टार मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन है हमारे, तो मतलब ऐसे कई लोग और भी हमारे एग्जांपल्स हैं. सो माय थॉट ऑन दैट, कंडीशंस चाहे जैसी भी हो, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, you have to be positive. If the things are going very negative and you're feeling that things are going again and again negative and negative, then keep calm, just do meditation and think about some solution, but don't think negative and don't take any negative decision, right? Thank you and good luck to you.